So I love the green stalk for growing lettuce in the spring. I do the baby lettuce. Now, last week I harvested this level up here, so this week I'm going to do this level. And that's enough for a week. And if I need more, it's there if I need it. And this one's already growing right back. So next week I'll do the bottom row, and then I'll go back up to the top row of lettuce. All right, let's harvest this. Basket full of beautiful lettuce, all different sorts. That's like a clamshell at the store, and what's that? $3.99. This is organically grown, so maybe even more. But anyways, I have harvested this level. Next week we have that level to harvest, and then we go back to the beginning.